Hi everyone, welcome back to CAD Show, your ultimate destination for all things CAD and 3D modeling. Today, we're going to talk about how to supercharge your SketchUp experience by installing plugins. Plugins can add a ton of functionality and make your workflow more efficient, so let's jump right in. First, let's find some plugins. The best place to start is the SketchUp extension warehouse. You can access it directly from SketchUp. Simply go to the window menu and select Extension Warehouse. Here, you'll find a huge collection of plugins. You can search for specific plugins or browse by category. For this tutorial, let's install a popular plugin called 1001-Bit Tools. Once you've found the plugin, click on it to go to its detail page. Here, you can read more about the plugin, see user reviews, and check compatibility with your version of SketchUp. To install the plugin, click the Install button. SketchUp will prompt you to confirm the installation. Click Yes to proceed. The plugin will be downloaded and installed automatically. Once the installation is complete, you may need to restart SketchUp for the plugin to be fully integrated. And that's it! You've successfully installed a plugin from the extension warehouse. But what if you have a plugin file from another source? If you've downloaded a plugin file, typically with a .rbz extension, you can install it manually. Go to the window menu, then select Extension Manager. In the Extension Manager, click the Install Extension button at the bottom left corner. Browse to the location where you saved the .rbz file, select it, and click Open. SketchUp will prompt you to confirm the installation. Click Yes, and the plugin will be installed. Again, you might need to restart SketchUp to see the changes. And there you have it! Installing plugins in SketchUp is a straightforward process that can greatly enhance your modeling capabilities. Before we finish, here are a few tips for managing your plugins. First, regularly check for updates in the Extension Manager to keep your plugins up to date. Second, only install plugins from trusted sources to ensure compatibility and security. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to CAD Show for more SketchUp tips and tutorials. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.